Everything you should know about Ford F-150 Raptor R 2023. The 700 horsepower monster that is supercharged is among many of the most anticipated wildest trucks in the market. The most anticipated truck in the last few years, the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R, is set to go out in the wild, with the first orders to purchase on the 18th of July 2022. It's likely that the 700 horsepower beast that is a Ford F-150 pickup will be an extremely sought-after item as soon as they roll off the manufacturing line. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. The most robust F-150 Raptor to date comes in standard 37-inch tires. And different drive modes that can be selected allow drivers to tailor their experience. We've all heard of the manufacturer-built vehicle for desert use, which is the very first generation Ford F-150 Raptor. Since the debut of the trucks in 2009, they've become a major presence in the off-road world, and each generation has been better than the previous. The present, third generation, Raptor being no exception. The improvements over the prior model in 2020 were substantial, although they appear quite similar on the exterior. The brand new 2023 Raptor R is the highest point of the Raptor range. With Ford, as with most other companies moving towards electric motors, it's not clear how the next few years will unfold for these amazing trucks. One thing is certain today. Ford is out to prove to all the world they've in the game when it comes down to producing the top-selling pickup trucks each year. Performance and power. Ford included a V8 inside. In addition, the engine is a 700 HP variant of the turbocharged 5.2 V8 engine that's inside the Shelby Mustang GT500. There are some distinctions between the Voodoo-based engine of the GT500 as well as its Raptor R power plant. For instance, a shorter pulley fitted to the 2.65-liter root-style Eaton supercharger helps to give the Raptor version a little more power as compared to the Mustang. Ford has also shifted to a bigger oil pan and a Raptor R-specific oil cooler, as well as a brand new air intake style that promises to provide 66% more volume. The new changes put the Raptor R at a healthy power rating of 700 HP and the torque of 640 lb-ft. This isn't as impressive as the main rival, the Ram 1500 TRX. Ford will be quick to emphasize that the V8 model of the Raptor is expected to weigh around 100 pounds more than the V6 Raptor that comes with the 37-inch tire package, which weighs considerably smaller than the TRX. It is safe to say that the off-road vehicle enthusiasts will keep watch on real-world performance numbers once they begin to show up. Quality comforts. Inside, the 2023 Raptor R really looks the part of a 700 HP, performance-oriented off-road vehicle. Apart from the typical Ford F-150 interior, which is decent enough for its own, its Raptor R gets some specific elements that truly make it stand out from the other models in the F-150 range. For instance, all of the Raptor Rs are equipped with Recaro seats upholstered in a sleek and stylish combination of suede and leather. Additionally, there's a distinctive triaxial weave carbon fiber on a lot of the interior panels. Ford claims it helps communicate its combination of performance, toughness, and durability. Beyond the beautiful interior parts, there's lots of brand new Ford technology to discuss in this video. The 2023 Raptors all come with a variety of off-road specific driving aids. One of the most significant improvements is Ford's brand new trail control system. This allows owners to set a specific speed at which the truck will take on a particular obstacle. Then, point your brand new Raptor R towards the correct direction, and it will take over the rest it comes to trail control. Additionally, there is an option called Trail 1 pedal drive that lets the driver control the forward momentum of the trail by using only an accelerator pedal. Similar to the one pedal drive in an electric vehicle, it should provide a smooth transition from the acceleration and brakes on difficult rock crawling moves. Ford Raptor pricing. Major improvements mean major price increases. The first hot rod Raptor, the 2010 F-150 SVT Raptor 6.2L, came with a MSRP of $41,995. The 411 HP 6.2L V8 cost $3,000 more than the regular 5.4L V8. What's the jump from an 3.5L Ecoboost V8 to the massive 700 HP turbocharged 5.2L V8 cost you in the event that it comes out? Raptor R delivers sometime in the second half of 2022? This is actually a little more complex than in the year 2010. The MSRP for a base 2022 F-150 Raptor is $70,555, even though the truck is equipped for a basic model, which means that you get zero alternatives. The 2023 F-150 Raptor R comes standard with a host of features you do not get with a base model V6 Raptor. It's also a lot more expensive, starting at $109,145. This is almost similar to the MSRP of a 2010 5.4L Raptor at $38,590. In fairness, the two original 5.4L equipped, 320 HP Raptors put together aren't as powerful as the current Raptor R. In addition, when you include the features that make it possible to make the V6 Raptor a little closer than the R, including that 37-inch tire package and carbon interior parts, the price drop is closer to $25,000. For 700 HP, which, in comparison to the R, is a more accurate comparison. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.